Where do metaverse laws apply across virtual borders? Imagine stepping into a virtual world where you can meet friends, buy digital art, or even attend a concert. But have you ever wondered which laws actually govern what happens in these digital spaces? That's what we're exploring today. The metaverse is a digital universe that crosses physical borders, but the laws that apply are still tied to real-world rules. When someone commits an act in the metaverse, the location of their physical body usually determines which country's laws are used. For example, if a person in Malaysia commits a digital offense, Malaysian law applies, even if they are interacting in a virtual space hosted elsewhere. Countries also use their nationality and the passive personality principle to claim jurisdiction. This means a country can regulate its citizens' activities in the metaverse, no matter where they are. If a citizen from the United States harms someone in the metaverse, U.S. laws can come into play. Another key principle is the effects doctrine. If an action in the metaverse causes harm or impacts people in a specific country, that country can claim jurisdiction. For instance, if a scam in the metaverse affects U.S. users or interests, U.S. authorities might step in, even if the scam originated elsewhere. Most platforms requiring users to agree to terms of service when they sign up. These agreements often specify which laws govern disputes and how conflicts are resolved. This contractual layer creates a set of rules that users accept, regardless of where they are physically located. But the virtual nature of the metaverse makes things complicated. Data flows across many countries at once, and servers are often located in different places. This makes it hard to decide which country's laws apply when it comes to privacy, harassment, or intellectual property issues. Some legal experts suggest creating a new, separate jurisdiction for the metaverse. This would mean establishing rules specifically for these virtual worlds, independent of existing countries. However, making such a system would need cooperation from many nations, and right now, that's still a challenge. For now, existing laws are adapted to virtual environments by analyzing the type of activity and where the users or servers are located. This patchwork approach leads to some uncertainty, especially when it comes to cross-border disputes. Privacy laws, consumer protections, and intellectual property rights are all affected by these jurisdictional questions. In the realm of artificial intelligence and technology, law, these issues become even more complex. Automated avatars and data processing in the metaverse raise questions about liability and regulation across borders. To manage this, international cooperation and clear rules are needed to ensure fair and consistent governance. So, the laws that apply in the metaverse depend on a mix of physical location, contractual agreements, and the effects of actions. As these virtual worlds grow, the legal system will need to evolve to keep up with this borderless digital universe.